A dog breeder involved in one of Queensland's biggest animal cruelty cases has been found unfit to stand trial, but she can still breed animals. Mark Sulo has been talking with a stunned RSPCA, and Mark, they want the law changed.
Yes, I guess you'd have to say the RSPCA is gobsmacked and wants Parliament here to act. This particular case involved 105 dogs, mostly poodles. It became known as the poodle case. It went on in the courts for 3 years and there were numerous allegations of cruelty. Then the Magistrates Court made an order for a permanent stay of proceedings based on the defendant's mental capacity. What the RSPCA wants to know now is why, under current law, if you're deemed unfit to stand trial on animal welfare issues, you can still, if you so desire, have animals. In early 2008, RSPCA inspectors raided a Waterford property and seized 105 dogs, mainly toy and standard poodles. Inspectors found their hair was badly matted, they had skin infections, behavioural problems and more.
And then there were ones that were, had maggots, and it was just disgusting.
Many of the breeding females were pregnant, giving birth to another 45 puppies. For more than 3 years, the RSPCA treated them. Only a handful were put down.
Not a lot. We actually worked really, really hard.
The breeder faced 145 charges, but the Magistrates Court has now found she is not mentally fit to stand trial.
Well, it's a sad situation for all, and particularly the animals.
RSPCA lawyers contributed $1 million of pro bono work to the case. $500,000 was spent caring for the animals. Now they can't stop the defendant breeding animals again because there's no conviction.
No, because that has to go through the court, so there's no mechanism in the current law to allow for a prohibition order.
The RSPCA says the law needs to change.
If you're incapable of going to court and being dealt with by the courts, maybe you're incapable of having animals on a permanent situation.
The organisation will now approach the new Premier to fix the anomaly in future. During the court case and after several appeals, the dogs were forfeited to the RSPCA. Most of them have now been adopted out, mostly to the foster carers who looked after them for 18 months or so. I guess in the end it would have been cruel to break that attachment after so long.
For sure. OK, our thanks to senior reporter Mark Sulo reporting live there from Parliament House.